What really got me excited about the program was being able to bring in a large majority of our teachers. We have a really small technical team here at the school district. In all of our schools, you have to fly in or take a boat into them. There's no roads that lead to our schools. So being able to bring them into one centralized location and focus on a set of topics that'll really help our teachers and students is really an awesome experience for all of us.
Around 1/3 of the public schools in the United States are located in rural areas. Children living in a rural environment are twice as likely not to attend school. Approximately 1 in 4 children in the US will grow up not knowing how to read. When you look at all the data on illiteracy, incarceration, and mortality rates, you see there is a clear connection between lack of education and access to technology.
I would know.
And he won!
We're becoming more connected every day. We cannot ignore global issues anymore. We have to face them together.
We've been up in Alaska for about a week, and we were able to spend time with the teachers and some of the district staff, training them on some new technology that they're going to be able to bring to the classroom and share with the kids.
And so the hope is that these teachers will be able to have more options for their kids to engage with the content and just have fun doing it.
I think it's more important now than ever before to go out in the world and try. Try to make a difference. Try to make an impact.
When you're living in such a small community, those people become your family essentially, whether you're only there for a school year or you're there for 10 school years. You're with those people day in and day out, and so those students really do become almost like your children, and you want to provide them all the opportunities that you can provide them, and you know that when they leave those school doors, they're not walking into a metropolitan area where they're going to have exposure and access to all the things that students may have.
It's hard to put into words. I am inspired by the passion that everyone has displayed in working together, learning, sharing that just zest for going out into the community and helping these children find that love of learning, whether it be, in finding that one thing that might spark a special interest. It could be something as simple as creating a book. It could be as complicated as putting together a drone. But whatever it is, really looking at the individual student as well as a class and inspiring them to continue their education, to continue wanting to learn and explore new things. And all of these technology tools, I think, can spark that interest that may not be there with traditional ways of teaching.
It starts with everyone coming together. The teachers, the students, the families, the IT professionals. Everyone taking time out of their daily lives to learn and understand. Fostering that natural curiosity that kids have through technology and creativity. That change can happen. One person at a time, one classroom at a time.